My nephews are getting super into Pokemon cards, so I decided it was time to look into my old collection and see what it looked like. But my binder was terrible. It's this old small one, and my nephew's binders and collections were making me look bad. So I was gifted this new binder and I'm absolutely loving it. So first off, I knew that it held 16 cards, but in my mind I didn't realize it was going to be this big. But honestly, I absolutely love the size. The way that it lays the cards out looks so good. I was also very impressed with how clear each one of the little plastic compartments on. You can see each and every one of the cards so clearly. My old binder, you used to stick the cards in from top to bottom, and so if I picked the binder up upside down, some of the cards would slide out the top. This binder, you actually slide the cards in from left to right or from right to left, so it's not going to fall out whether it's right side up or upside down. And honestly, they're not gonna fall out from side to side either. Like I said, it holds 16 cards per page, which equals about 1,280 cards. So you will have plenty of space to store all of your cards in here. And the quality of this binder is so nice as well. It's got a hard leather front and back, so you know your cards are not going to get bent or squished. Funny thing to bring up, but the zipper zips so smooth. I hate a bad zipper, so I love that they made that one so nice. It is also weatherproof, so if you take this outside and it gets rained or snowed on, or for some reason it gets a splash of water in the kitchen or bathroom, you're not going to have to worry about it soaking through into your cards. They will be protected.